Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sink into the raw, primal energy of the horse and all the medicine and wisdom this sacred being has to offer. As with all my guided meditations, there will be a period about halfway through where you will be given time and space to simply be in the energy, hearing only the background music. This is a time for you to sink into your own intuitive knowing and to hear the powerful message that are ready to come forward into your being today. As you take a moment to settle into your own energy, making a commitment to be here now, creating a safe space and environment. If you feel called, putting headphones in and getting in a really straight and comfortable position. Deepening into breath now as you inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Allowing everything to simply relax. Your eyes heavy and closed. Your cheeks and jaw melting into relaxation. Your entire body feeling heavy and pulled into the surface beneath you as you melt into your surroundings. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into this moment. As you visualize in your mind's eye a beautiful, expansive forest path. Beautiful trees lining the way, critters and wildlife all around you. The sun shining down through the tops of the trees. Everything feels perfect here. As you walk down this path, you see before you a large, powerful horse. This beautiful animal is here today to be your spirit guide, to walk with you down this path, to infuse his powerful and sacred medicine within you. As you allow the horse to lead the way, keeping his strong and steady pace, a beautiful red energy begins to swirl around you, grounding you deep into the earth, creating a pull as your energy neutralizes, finding roots and safety, stability, a deep grounding. Breathing in this vibrant red energy. A beautiful orange begins to pool within your system, overflowing with sacred life force energy, a deep sense of intuitive knowing, sinking into a state of surrender as your creative energies move through your system. A softening occurs here as you overflow with this energy. An electric yellow now pulsates through you. As you breathe in this yellow energy, a fire is ignited within. A desire to move forward in your path, divine will active within you. As you take aligned actions, in the direction of your dreams with ease and a sacred, fierce energy. A beautiful green now dances through your system as you open to the frequency of love, expanding into oneness and connection with all around you. Letting go of all preconceived ideas, the illusion of separation falls away as you connect with each and every aspect of this experience in a state of love with self and the world. Breathing in this beautiful love frequency as a bright blue energy now moves through your system, opening and activating your authentic expression. Your soul essence comes fully alive here. A beautiful knowing is birthed within you. The courage to speak your truth, to own your authentic way of being. As you breathe in this bright blue energy, a deep indigo drapes over you. As every sense within your system, both physical and energetic, becomes active and optimal. A deep sense of knowing from every aspect of your being is heightened, amplified. Everything makes perfect sense here. As this deep universal wisdom is awakened within you, a bright violet energy pours through your crown, fully awakened to your divinity and knowing of what and who you are. Divine consciousness, love, this high vibrational observer. As your identity falls away and you simply are here now. Connected from soul to bone, breathing in this aligned, powerful energy. Still rooted into the earth, full of life force energy, standing in your power, open to love. Authentic expression, active, universal knowing. Divine embodiment here now. As the colors fade and you find yourself back on the forest path with your gallant and fierce horse friend guiding you, you come upon an opening. A circle has been engraved in the ground. You stand in the middle of this circle, your horse friend nodding his head in approval. And as you breathe into the center of this circle, a thunderous sound comes as you see a wave of wild horses running your way. They begin to pace the tracks of this circle, spinning around and around you, creating a wave of this fierce, powerful primal energy. As you breathe in this intoxicating medicine, the horses are here today to invite you on an adventure. They are going to allow you to experience their primal, fierce energy, and as you do, relay a message to you of how to be grounded in your purpose, grounded in your power, trusting your primal intuitive instincts. As they circle around you faster and faster, you feel your body change. Strong legs where arms and human legs once were as your hooves hit the ground. Your long, strong body As you breathe, the hairs on your back stand as you look down and realize that you have been gifted to experience what it feels like to move in the body of this horse, this beautiful, powerful creature. As you calibrate to this new physical existence, the horses begin to run straight through the forest, and you follow, feeling the muscles expand and contract, the ease at which you run full force ahead, the strength in your body, and the primal knowing of the direction and pace at which you move. As you enjoy this beautiful ride, take a moment as you tune in to the frequency of the horse to hear the powerful message they hold for you today. The time now is yours to listen and receive. As this beautiful, majestic ride comes to an end, fully enlivened with the power and energy you felt surging within your system, forever remembering this powerful message, this deep knowing of your primal intuitive instincts. You find yourself back in the center of the circle, and with a deep breath, you are transformed back into your human vessel. Standing at the center as these beautiful horse creatures look back at you with awe and wonder, nodding their head, neighing in excitement for the beauty and magic that was present here today. As you breathe into this moment, placing one hand on your heart and one on your belly, setting the intention to always remember what you experienced here, to always remember the message these horses relayed to you, and to bring back into your waking reality this sense of primal power, of deep, innate, intuitive instinct, the knowing of your purpose here on earth. As you breathe in this moment, saying goodbye to your horse friends, as you find yourself back on the forest path, alone in your energy, in your knowing, breathing deep in through your nose, out through your mouth, grounding into the here and now, taking this sacred knowing with you as you breathe into your physical reality, slowly beginning to move your body. And as you open your eyes, tuning in once again to this primal energy, breathing fire into your system, eyes wide open, fully awake here now, purpose on point, living fully in your knowing. Your journey here is complete.